Hi guys, my name is Khushhal and we're gonna see what's on my phone today. Is this on my face? I don't know why. I stalked Shahida Afridi and Ronaldo. Okay, so it's like most famous person on my contact list is Mapa and there's Fawad Bhai. These two people are most famous person on my contact list. Why are you in here if you don't know who Mapa is? It's Mahira Khan. Come on. Mapa, everybody knows. I call her Mapa. So I ordered food and I think this app has blocked me and they don't just, I don't get my food now.
Why would they block you?
I do not know why would they block me. They just don't send my food. Like, you know, whenever I place an order, they're like, oh, you can't place an order. Oh, shut up. As if you're gonna tell me when I can eat and when I shouldn't eat. For me, my go-to food would be malai on bread. So my voice, like, you know, I have bread. Yes, like bread, malai, bread, malai, bread, malai, bread, malai. And then with a glass of milk and I'll just have it. From 12:30, 12:40, 51, blah 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 blah. Let's go down. I have a lot of naps. A friend of mine, she calls me in the morning to wake me up. So she calls me and she's like, "Are you up?" So I speak like as if I was up like 20 minutes ago. You know, I'm like, "Oh yes, I'm up. I'm just getting ready." As soon as they cut the call, I'm like, "Okay, I'll go back to sleep." And then they call me and they're like, "You were sleeping more." I'm like, Zar Zartana, which is a Pashto, it's an expression like you say Zar Zartana, oh, cute, like Zar, sorry, you know? There's a video of mine, she sent it to me, which I posted and she screen recorded that video and sent it to me and she's like, yeah, and with the wala emoji, with the teddy bear emoji and with the flower emoji. 2 teddy bears and 1 flower emoji. That's cute. She's cute. She's very cute. Okay, this is interesting. It's like a note that I took. Jo payments meri rehti hai. They haven't paid me yet. So if you're watching this, you better pay me, and I'm gonna reveal your names. I'm gonna tell them their names. If you don't pay me by the end of this month, I'm sorry. It's locked. I locked the screen. Shah Rukh Khan. I'll go through his phone. Yeah, what's in that phone? Why isn't he not replying or responding to my messages and texts and all that? Like why? Like usko aate nahi hai. Like I went through my DMs. Can he not? If you're watching this, please reply to me, okay? I've been messaging you for like 4 years now. It's about time. I'm at Mashion. I think I'm famous. You can reply to me now. Please. If you like the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, share. So you want me to send this tissue paper that was under my butt for this whole interview? I'll sign it. Only if you like it, and share and subscribe.